Choosing the right lawnmower for a small garden starts with understanding the different types available. Not all mowers are equally practical in tight, irregular outdoor spaces. Type 1. Petrol Pedestrian Mowers. This is powered by an engine and requires oil and petrol to function. The finish is controlled by the operator, who manually selects the cutting height and walks behind the mower. It has powerful performance and has no cord or charging issues. It's built to last with robust components. However, some drawbacks include the noise while the machine is in operation, plus the maintenance, as it will require an annual service, and these machines are often quite heavy due to the engine. Type 2. Corded Pedestrian Mowers. This type of pedestrian mower is powered by plugging it directly into the mains power, often having a 10-meter cable, and has the operator walk behind the machine. Being electric, it is much quieter than a petrol machine. It is also eco-friendly, as no fuel is being polluted into the atmosphere, and it has an unlimited runtime. On the other hand, you need easy access to power outlets to use this machine. Plus, you are heavily restricted by the power cable and are likely to damage the cable if you drive over it. Type 3. Battery Pedestrian Mowers. This mower is again a pedestrian mower, but powered by a rechargeable battery. It's similar in operation to the two previous types of mowers. The lack of a power cable gives it more freedom to mow around the garden. Similar to the corded mower, it has no oil or fuel to deal with, so maintenance is super easy. A couple of drawbacks are that it does have a limited runtime, and some batteries can take a while to recharge. Type 4. Robotic Lawnmowers. An automated robotic lawnmower is completely different from all the other mower types. It does not require an operator to supervise it while it mows. It uses either boundary wires or an RTK network to position itself in the lawn and works via a scheduling system. They are quiet and leave a brilliant finish on the lawn, plus give you time back to enjoy more important things. However, they usually have a high upfront cost and can require a lengthy setup process, particularly the boundary wire models. Hope this video helps you to decide which mower is best for your small garden. Subscribe for more.